For this challenge, my theme has been child development, and that is consumer science. My pages are the home page, assignments, and fun activities, which is the two main assignments in the course. The importance and why this course is relevant for kids to take and why they should take it, and then just basic contact information of myself. So I use these images because they all correlate within child development, because you start as an infant and as you grow older you're always going to deal with people. And then on the first page I just have a little bit about myself so that it's kind of more open and friendly, I guess. My second page is just the layout of within the syllabus. So I have extra credit, the quizzes, the tests, when the tests are going to be. So basically just like a layout within the syllabus, and this kind of goes in depth more. So that's all for that page. And then for the fun activities are the two main ones within the course. The My Virtual Life, which I talk about a lot in all the other challenges and badges. And then here's just like a little overview of how often they'll be using it and what is within the virtual life. But again, the syllabus will contain more information about that. And also Taking Home the Baby, which again is a description of it, and it describes what the baby does and like how it will benefit you for now until you become a parent. And then here are some related images of the baby itself, the fake baby. A lot of schools do it, so it's a good thing to add. And also I can't really attach something from online for the virtual life because it depends on the course itself. And then importance, I have reasons why it's good to take this class and why your student or child should take it. There's 3 examples, and then the 2 videos. This one is just milestones within a toddler, which are very important. It lays a foundation from life and what they will use in every single day, and without the skills it could be very traumatic. And then this is just a basic video of a fetus growing within the uterus. And then for the last page is the contact information, so it's just like an overview summary of how your child should contact me with my number or email. And then this is just a fake address, and then this is just another overview and when to contact me, kind of just like a overview of a summary within the contact information.